always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
I'm Dave Warren. Next weather alert tonight for these cold wind chills again down to the mid-30s. But this is new. Frost advisory. The wind will die down enough where we could get frost forming on surfaces even though that temperature stays above freezing. We had record lows this morning, but we were in the mid-30s. Should be a few degrees warmer than this overnight tonight. Not expecting any records, but we'll still have that chill in the air. Wind chills were into the 20s in some areas, 30s across much of the area. Even Homestead at 32 at 7 o'clock this morning. A couple places in the upper 20s. Look at the numbers now. Already in the low 50s. A quick drop tonight. You get that with a clear sky, very, very dry air and a light breeze. So we'll continue that drop overnight tonight. Lows will be into the lower 40s. I'll zoom in and show you the actual neighborhoods where they could be in the 30s again. Southwest Ranches, Weston up towards Coral Springs and Tamarack, low 40s. Near the coast, we'll be into the mid 40s like Oakland Park and Dania Beach. Wind chills mid 30s again. Again, interior is where we have that cold weather advisory because that's where the coldest air will be. Low temperatures in the upper 30s in Kendall, Redland, Country Walk, and then you factor in the wind and it will feel like it's in the mid 30s across the area. This should be the last day where we talk about this big chill because over the next few days we have warm up in our forecast. When you talk about the Tuesday to Wednesday, the yellows, well, that's lows in the 40s. The yellows to orange, these are highs in the 70s. This will be Wednesday afternoon. The reason for this is a front. We'll put a few showers in that forecast Wednesday, but want to look up here. This is where our next weather change is coming from. By Wednesday night to Thursday, a front works its way south. I'll stop it right here by Thursday afternoon. This is where the front will be. It'll be approaching the area by Thursday. Showers are increasing a bit, and then it will work through Thursday afternoon and evening. So we do put our rain chances right about 20% in the forecast, but then once the rain clears out, this is what we're talking about. 70s, 60s, 50s. Here come the 40s. A little chill in the air when you wake up Friday morning. No 30s with this one. This is not quite as powerful as the last one, but a noticeably cool, chilly breeze. Wake up to Friday morning, and we'll keep it in the forecast Saturday. Small craft advisory. There's a bit of a breeze out in the Atlantic waters. There's no alerts in the Keys. Tomorrow we start in the 40s, we climb to the upper 60s, and then we'll hover into the mid to low 60s. No quick drop in the temperature tomorrow night because we have clouds and showers in the forecast, milder nights, lows in the 50s. Then we're back to the 40s Friday with that breeze. Saturday still a chill in the air in the morning. Milder conditions return Sunday and Monday with a few clouds.